Namaste, viewers. It's Wednesday morning, March 5, 2025, and I'm your host, Sunil Thakker, or Sunny Talks Money. Welcome to ST Money's 7 a.m. early morning news, where we provide you the latest, concise, and precise stock market wrap with accurate figures and numbers. Sweeping US tariffs on key trading partners, China, Canada, and Mexico, rattle global markets, weighing on investor sentiment. Indian equity indices ended lower, but off day's low in the volatile session on March 4, with Nifty falling below 22,000 intraday for the first time since June 5, 2024, amid weak global markets as investors worried over global trade war after Trump reiterated to levy 25% tariff on imports from Mexico and Canada. The US has officially implemented a 25% tariff on imports from Canada and Mexico, while Chinese goods now face a cumulative 20% duty following an additional 10% levy. In a further escalation, reciprocal tariffs will kick in from April 2, intensifying concerns over trade disruptions and financial market instability. Trump also said that the US would impose tariffs on external agricultural products starting on April 2. On the other hand, Canadian PM also announced retaliatory tariffs on the US effective yesterday. At close, the Sensex was down 96 points or 0.13% at 72,989, and the Nifty was down 36 points or 0.17% at 22,082. Sensex ended in the red for the third straight session, while Nifty 50 extended its losing streak to 10 sessions, its longest since inception's 3 decades ago. The Sensex and Nifty were down 18% and 19% respectively from the record highs in September last year, weighed down by growth concerns, weak corporate earnings, relentless foreign selling, and trade-related uncertainties. On the first trading session of March, FII's net sold Indian equities worth rupees 4,788 crore, while DII's purchased shares worth rupees 8,553 crore rupees. 28 out of the 50 constituent stocks of the Nifty 50 settle in the red, dragged by Bajaj Auto, Hero Motocorp, Bajaj Finserv, HCL Tech, and Eicher Motors. Conversely, SBI, BPCL, Bharat Electronics, Shriram Finance, and Adani Enterprises were among the 22 shares that settled high. Among the broader markets, the Nifty Small Cap 100 and the Nifty Mid Cap 100 indices settled higher by 0.69% and 0.05%, respectively. Sectoral indices on the NSE settled on a mixed note, with PSU Bank, Bank Nifty, financial services, consumer durables, media, metal, oil and gas, and realty indices settling high. On the other hand, Nifty Auto, IT, Pharma, and FMCG were among the sectoral indices on the NSE that settled in the red. IT companies, which get a substantial portion of their revenue from the US, fell nearly 1%, with Infosys and HCL Tech dragging the Nifty IT index down. Data signaling rise in the price pressures in the US also hurt IT stocks. SBI rose 3% after global brokerage firm Citi issued a double upgrade, moving its rating 2 notches up from sell to buy. Citi also hiked SBI's price target to rupees 830 from 720 rupees, implying a potential upside of nearly 20% from its previous close. ASK Automotive surged to a 5% upper circuit following its strategic partnership with Japan's Kyushu Yanagawa Seiki to manufacture high-pressure die-cast alloy wheels for two-wheelers. Shares of HBL Engineering rose over 3% after securing a letter of award (LOA) worth rupees 148 crores from the Bhopal division of West Central Railway. Meanwhile, shares of Gensol Engineering plunged 20% after CARE Ratings downgraded its long-term and short-term bank facilities. The agency downgraded Gensol's long-term bank facilities worth rupees 640 crores to CARE D from CARE BB+, which was stable. In the US overnight, stocks closed lower after a volatile day of trading after President Trump hit Mexico, Canada, and China with tariffs, prompting retaliation from all three countries. The S&P 500 fell 1.2%, the Nasdaq lost 0.4%, and the Dow Jones Industrial Average sank 1.6%. Brent crude is $71.1 a barrel. Gold is rupees 86,300 per 10 grams, and silver is rupees 96,310 per kilogram. Today's outlook for the Indian market. The index found support around 22,000 on a sustained basis. Though sentiment has not turned positive, there are signs that the index is finding support in the 21,800 to 22,000 zone. In the short term, we might witness a recovery. However, a decisive fall below 21,800 could change the current equation. Stocks to watch today: Biocon, Coforge, GE, Vernova, Power Grid, JSW Energy, Wellspun Specialty, Rail Vikas Nigam, Ola Electric Mobility, Grasim Industries, RHI Magnesita India, Apollo Hospital Enterprises, Walchandar Nagar, ABB India, Mindtech India, Ambuja Cements, Oil and Natural Gas Corporation, Force Motors, Avanti Feeds, Banswara Syntex, SpiceJet, and Manappuram Finance will be in focus on March 5 today. That's it for today, my dear viewers. And if you are enjoying our content, please do subscribe, like, and share this video as much as possible. I will see you again tomorrow morning. In the meantime, happy investing, stay inspired, and remember, it is all about money.